Hola mis amigos, today I would like to teach about a star. Before this I have taught you about share, but in this video I would like to teach about a star. Actually a star means it to be verb form. Before this I taught about share, that means to be, and in this video I am going to explain about a star. A star means also to be verb form. How to use and where to use a star, because about this to be known is very important. So what I am explaining to you, try to understand with attention. If you don't focus, you can never understand deeply. I am explaining you, so try to understand what I am explaining to you. Actually a star means it to be verb form. How to use, where to use? A star will be used for position, location, actions, conditions and emotions. You are getting what I am explaining to you? Once again I would like to repeat. Actually a star will be used for position, location, actions, conditions and emotions. Okay. So here it is written Spanish pronouns. You know, you are watching yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros and nosotras. Nosotros and nosotras, vosotros and vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Actually this is Spanish pronouns. So with them, what is a star form? I am gonna explain you. Yo. Estoy and estás, él, ella, usted. Está, nosotros, nosotras. Estamos, vosotros, vosotras. Estáis, estáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Están. Okay, in front of you I have wrote. Now I would like to explain how to use this. Actually with yo, estoy will be used. With tú, estás will be used. With él, ella, usted, esta will be used. And with nosotros and nosotras, estamos will be used. With vosotros and vosotras, estáis will be used. Okay. And with ellos, ellas, ustedes, están will be used. I hope that you are getting what I am explaining you. With the help of example, I would like to explain you. So now you can understand what I explain you. Examples. I am running. I am running. English. Example in front of you I have wrote I am running. In Spanish, how to translate, I would like to explain you. Actually for I we have to use yo. Yo. Now with yo we have to use estoy. Estoy. yo estoy corriendo. Yo estoy corriendo. Spanish. Okay. You are getting? How did I translate? I am running. I am running will be translated into Spanish language. Yo estoy corriendo. Yo estoy corriendo. Corriendo means running. And second example. They are happy. They are happy. You are watching in front of you. I have wrote. I have written in front of you. I have written. They are happy. How to translate into Spanish? Actually, for they, we have to use ellos. Ellos, and with ellos, what do you have to use? You are getting? What do you have to use? With ellos, we have to use están. Ellos están felices. You are getting here? They are happy will be translated into Spanish language. Ellos están felices. I hope that what I explained you are getting and you are understanding. In the next video, I will come in front of you with a new lesson. Gracias por ver.